tuti kubera ko natwe twahoze twiga hano abantu bafite experience abantu twigiraho tukagira amahirwe yo kubonana nabo amaso ku maso twavuze nka Ric Hassani n'umuntu nyine abantu benshi bigiraho kuririmba abantu bakunda indirimbo ze cyane cyane hano ku ishuri ntabwo haburamo abantu b'abaririmbyi bakinira kuri tekiniki ziwe cyangwa se n'ibindi bashobora kuba inspired na story yiwe n'ibindi n'ibindi. Niyo mpamvu rero yageze mu Rwanda tukavuga ahantu agera harimo no ku ishuri. Ubu rero nibyo turimo bumva ari ibyo reka noneho mwemetinge Ric Hassani. It's your time now to share your experience with students. Yeah, thank you so much.
Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Ric Hassani. Wow, I actually don't have any words because what I've seen here today is just absolutely incredible. And I'm just very humbled to be here in the presence of everybody here. Honestly, you guys are great. All of you are incredible people. This is my guitarist, so also my producer. We write and produce most of my songs. So let's make some noise for Teddy. So he writes most of my songs together. He's my lead guitarist as well. So as I was watching people perform, I'm telling him like all my songs sound like trash now. Like all of you sound so basic now. It's like, what I ain't in my head, why? Like but I'm just very, very, very humbled to be here, and I love Rwanda. I love Rwanda, you're all incredible people, and thank you so much for receiving me this way and putting all of this together. Thank you so much, I'm very humbled. God bless you guys.